Hi there and welcome. Today we are going to be making asparagus. We're going to add a little bit of garlic to this and a few other goodies, and then we're going to pop it in the air fryer. The air fryer that I will be using is the Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. All right, I have my washed asparagus. Now we need to cut off these woody ends. I usually just cut off about 1.5 inches. If you want, you can hold it and bend it. And that's the part you do not want to eat. You can use this as a guide to cut the rest of your asparagus. But like I said, I usually cut about 1.5 inches off. Have about half of my asparagus here. Again, I'm just going to cut about 1.5 inches off of these. And I will get the rest and finish that up, and I'll be right back. I am back. I have all the ends trimmed on our asparagus. Off camera, I went ahead and chopped 2 cloves of garlic, and I shredded some Parmesan cheese. Grab my oil here. I was going to use olive oil, but it's going in the garbage. It smells a little rancid. So I'm just going to use my avocado oil. We want to coat these asparagus well with the oil. Probably add about 1.5 tablespoons or so. Toss these and get these coated in the oil. Now we're going to season up these asparagus. You can use any seasoning you like. I'm going to use Chef Paul's Vegetable Magic. I love this stuff. This is also wonderful in macaroni and cheese. Doesn't give you too much on what's all in here. It says salt, onions, spices, and garlic. Let me tell you, there is a lot going on in here. I know there is some cayenne. It's not spicy, so don't worry about that. It smells so good. This is a big tub. It is a pound. I'm going to leave a link down in the description if you're interested in this. I'll also leave a link for the smaller bottles, but this is a better value. I'm going to season these up. Going to add the garlic. Start off with that. And some of the Parmesan cheese. I'm also going to add some Parmesan cheese at the end. Give this a good toss, and then we'll be ready to pop these into the air fryer. I'm going to put these in the air fryer basket in a single layer. All right, we are ready to pop these into the air fryer. I have the air fryer set at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. Now I do like my asparagus a little crispy, so I'm shooting for that. When it hits about 6 to 7 minutes in, I will be checking this. We are 6 minutes in of our 8. These look good, right where I like them. They are cooked with a little crispiness. So let's get these plated up. Again, if you want yours more tender, let it go for another 1 to 2 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. A little bit of lemon juice. Squeeze a little bit over the top. A bit more of the fresh Parmesan cheese. All right, I'm going to grab one of these and take a bite for you. Perfect. It's tender. Still has some crispiness. I can taste that garlic. Chef Paul's vegetable seasoning. Delicious. Here's a few other air fryer recipes I think you would enjoy watching next. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.